Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MetaMask and set custom RPC for Arbitrum step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the official MetaMask website at metamask.io. Click on the download button to get the MetaMask extension for your browser. Choose the correct version based on your browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or another option. Once the download is complete, follow the prompts to install the extension. After installation, you will see the MetaMask Fox icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the icon to open MetaMask. If you are new to MetaMask, select Get Started. Choose Create a Wallet and follow the instructions to set up your account. Make sure to securely record your seed phrase, as it is crucial for account recovery. Once your wallet is set up, click on the account icon at the top right. Select Settings to access the Wallet Settings menu. In the Settings menu, click on Networks. Next, select Add Network to set up a custom RPC for Arbitrum. You will need to fill in specific details for the Arbitrum network. Enter the following information into the appropriate fields. For the network name, type Arbitrum mainnet. In the new RPC URL field, input https://. To switch to Arbitrum, click on the network dropdown and select Arbitrum mainnet. Now your MetaMask wallet is configured to work with. You can start using decentralized applications or send and receive funds on the Arbitrum network. Make sure to always double-check network settings for accuracy. You're now ready to explore the benefits of using Arbitrum with MetaMask. Enjoy your experience with the enhanced capabilities that Arbitrum offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.